Hi everyone, Mike Donato here from Fiamma Canada. Today we're going to be looking at 3 cool new accessories from Jura. Let's start off with our glass milk container. The way this guy works is very simple. You have 3 components: the glass container itself, tube, and lid. What you would do is take this piece, fill it up with milk, put your lid on top, and you're good to go. What I really like about it is it's dishwasher safe. The next accessory is our Glacette. Now this comes in 2 colors, black and white. The way this guy works is really easy. You take it, flip it upside down, where you have a piece that easily screws off. Inside of that, you're gonna find a freezer pack. Now we recommend leaving this piece in the freezer for 2 hours and it's ready to go. Pull it out, insert it into your Glacette body, take your lid, screw that guy back on, flip it. You wanna make sure that the piece is nice and straight. You're gonna take your glass container, simply insert it, and let's look at our third accessory. We have the stainless steel milk tube. Now it comes in 3 versions, the HP1, HP2, and HP3. Depending on which machine you have, that'll dictate which one you need. Now we're looking at an E8 today, and that's gonna be using the HP3. So what I would do is take this tube here, really simply, connect it to my glass container, connect it to my machine, and I'm done. So that's how all these 3 new accessories work together. If you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to ask below and we're here to answer. All of these pieces are available at www.fiamma.ca. Thanks guys, have a great day.